Hi, welcome back. This is Linda Smith-Latimer. In this third episode of Creating Firefly Studio, we're going to review the application of the foam insulation, the installation of the beadboard walls, the laminate wood flooring, and the shiplap ceiling. So a lot is going to be going on in this one.
Well, we've got an update for you. Since you last heard from us, we've had the foam insulation done. We did closed cell foam because there's two types of foam. There's open cell and closed cell. Closed cell is more dense, and it's also a better moisture barrier. A lot of people do closed cell on the ceiling and under the floors and open cell on the walls, but we just chose to have it all closed cell. And it's a pretty neat application. They just bring in these big hoses and they spray it like they're spraying paint. It goes on in a very thin coat, but then it swells after it's applied. It only has to be, for closed cell, 1.5 inches thick to have the same insulation power or the same insulating R factor as open cell that's 4 inches thick. So next thing we're going to do is install our air conditioner over there where you can see that hole. And then the paneling goes up. So the paneling we've already got on the wall, on the floor. It's going to be what we call beadboard. You're just seeing the back of it there. And that will go on the walls, and then we're going to put shiplap on the ceiling.
I'm getting beadboard put in, and it will go vertical, up and down. So we're trying to do this as economical as we possibly can. I wanted shiplap in here, but shiplap is really expensive right now. So beadboard kind of has the same feel. It's more narrow here, but it's easy to put up. It comes in 4x8 sheets. So we got it at Home Depot and it was all cut for us. So my husband only has to do some trimming out around the light switches and plugs. So that will make it easier for him. It's raining today, rather dreary in here, really cold. So next thing he has to do before he can get started on the walls is put in the air conditioning, which goes up there in that little hole. And he has to reconfigure that hole to put the air conditioning in there. This is the air conditioning that will go in. We certainly don't need it today because it's really cold. That's the air conditioning. It will also work as a dehumidifier. And in the last video, my husband touched on that. I'm not using the air conditioner, but it feels like the humidity is rather high in here. Then I can turn on the dehumidifier and get some of that humidity out of here. Well, we finally got the walls all up. Looks really nice in here. This brown wall here is where I'm going to be having the shelves. This will be painted white. And you won't see the brown. So those will be illuminated, and we wanted something that would be the same thickness as the beadboard, but we didn't want the beadboard on the wall. We wanted a flat surface. So I'll be painting this a matte color, or a matte, no shine to it. but I really like it in here. It's all coming together. It's still under construction, a little bit of a mess, although we clean up after ourselves every day. But I'll be going in and filling any nail holes, patching a few seams. Well, not patching, but putting caulking in the seams so you won't see those. Hi guys, we're back with an update. We've got all the walls are up, all the electricity is on, floors are all done. Well, what do you think? We made a lot of progress, didn't we? I am so thrilled with it all. I think it looks great. In the next video, episode 4 of the Creating the Firefly Studio, we will be building the overhead lighting and camera support system. So that's going to be really interesting, a lot of detail in that. So please watch episode 4. Thank you all for watching today's episode 3 of Creating the Firefly Studio. Give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you later. Bye.